Eat grapes every day, see what happens to your body. Hello viewers. Do you consume grapes on a daily basis? Whether you prefer them in the form of a glass of wine or a handful of raisins, grapes offer incredible health benefits. Grape juice, vinegar, and grapeseed oil are also excellent options for maintaining good health. In today's discussion, we'll be exploring the various ways in which grapes can benefit you, including the nutrients they contain, their potential to lower blood pressure, and whether they truly have cancer-fighting properties. Stay tuned for all of this and much more. 1. They're highly nutritious. Grapes are a great source of both vitamin C and K, with a single cup of red or green grapes providing over 25% of your daily needs. Vitamin K is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and facilitating blood clotting, while vitamin C plays a vital role in keeping your connective tissues healthy. In addition, grapes contain no fat whatsoever, which is pretty impressive, don't you think? We'd love to hear from you about your preferred fat-free snacks, so feel free to leave a comment and join the conversation with our community. 2. Full of antioxidants. Grapes are packed with more than 1,600 beneficial compounds, including antioxidants. If you're faced with a choice between various types of grapes, it's recommended to go for red grapes as they tend to contain higher levels of antioxidants. Despite their small size and potentially unpleasant taste, grape seeds actually contain the highest concentration of antioxidants, so it's advisable not to discard them. The skin of the grape also contains numerous antioxidants. By preventing the formation of free radicals in the body, antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress caused by conditions like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Interestingly, even after fermentation, the antioxidants in grapes remain intact, making grape-based drinks a good option for those who enjoy a beverage with their meal. Some examples of antioxidants present in grapes include resveratrol, quercetin, and lycopene. 3. Protects you from cancer. The presence of certain plant compounds in grapes has been found to offer protection against certain types of cancer. The antioxidants present in grapes can help prevent cancer cells from spreading throughout the body, which is particularly significant given the millions of people affected by cancer each year. Studies have indicated that grape extracts can halt the spread of colon cancer in test tubes, and individuals with colon cancer who consumed a pound of grapes showed a significant reduction in cancer markers. Additionally, grapes are particularly advantageous for those with breast cancer, with grape extracts blocking cancer spread in both animal models and test tubes. 4. Reduces blood pressure. Incorporating grapes into your diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy heart. A single cup of grapes can provide approximately 300 grams of potassium, which represents around 6% of the recommended daily intake. Low levels of potassium have been linked to an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes, as supported by a study that revealed individuals who consumed higher amounts of potassium-rich foods had a lower likelihood of mortality than those who did not. 5. Reduces cholesterol. Grapes continue to impress with their numerous health benefits. Individuals who have been informed by their doctors of high cholesterol levels can potentially reduce this by consuming grapes. The fruit can prevent cholesterol absorption into the bloodstream, although red grapes are the most effective in this regard according to a study, whereas white grapes were less so. Eating 3 cups of red grapes per day has been shown to significantly reduce high cholesterol levels. Grapes are a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is associated with excellent heart health. Consequently, experts worldwide recommend the inclusion of grapes in the diets of individuals with high cholesterol levels. It's no surprise to see grape platters at parties given their beneficial properties. 6. Grapes fight diabetes. Individuals with diabetes often avoid grapes due to their perceived high sugar content. However, grapes are not necessarily harmful to those with diabetes. The glycemic index is often overlooked by those monitoring their blood sugar levels, which measures the extent to which certain foods increase blood sugar. Grapes have a relatively low glycemic index of 53, making them a safe option. Furthermore, grapes contain beneficial compounds that lower blood sugar levels over time. Resveratrol, for example, increases insulin sensitivity and effectively reduces high sugar levels. 7. Promotes eye health. Are you required to work long hours in front of a computer at your job? If so, you may experience eye fatigue and damage from ultraviolet light exposure. Fortunately, consuming just a few grapes can help prevent this problem. The compound resveratrol is particularly beneficial, as it has been shown to prevent conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. As the eye ages, it is susceptible to macular degeneration, but resveratrol and other compounds found in grapes can help prevent this from occurring. 8. Improves memory and mood. Grapes have been found to enhance memory and brain function. Consuming grape juice or supplements can help in remembering important details such as birthdays and other significant dates. According to research, drinking 8 ounces of grape juice improves memory in young adults just 20 minutes after consumption. Animal studies have also indicated increased blood supply to the brain, thereby enhancing its overall functioning. Resveratrol is responsible for this cognitive improvement and may even be able to combat early signs of Alzheimer's, although further research is necessary to confirm this. 9. Makes your bones stronger. Grapes offer a balanced combination of essential vitamins and minerals, which contribute to maintaining strong bones and lowering the risk of fractures. Some studies conducted on rats have revealed that resveratrol can enhance bone density, along with increased levels of vitamin C. These animal studies suggest that grapes may be beneficial for human bone health as well. However, further research is required to confirm these findings. 10. Effective against bacteria and infections. Grapes are known to be beneficial for the immune system due to their high vitamin C content. Grape extracts have been found to prevent the spread of diseases like chickenpox, herpes, and yeast infections. Additionally, they may provide protection against the common flu. Grapes have the potential to prevent a wide range of illnesses. 11. Prevents aging. Beauty products in stores contain a multitude of ingredients, but one ingredient that may surprise you is grape seed extract. From face wash to moisturizers, many beauty products are infused with this ingredient. Studies have demonstrated that resveratrol, a compound in grapes, can promote cellular longevity. Rather than relying solely on anti-aging products, consider adding grapes to your diet as a natural source of resveratrol. 12. Anti-inflammatory effects. Increased chances of developing diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and arthritis can be attributed to the presence of inflammatory compounds. However, consuming 1.5 cups of grapes daily can provide protection against these diseases. Grape powder is also effective in reducing inflammation, while grape juice is a close second. Studies conducted on rats have confirmed the benefits of consuming grapes. Adding grapes to your daily diet is easy and can be done in various ways. They can be frozen for a cool summer snack, chopped up for salads, juiced for 100% fruit juice, or mixed in smoothies or cheese boards. In addition to providing nutrients, grapes are also packed with flavor, making them a great addition to any diet. It's important not to overlook the benefits of dried grapes, which are known as raisins. Drinking raisin water on an empty stomach can help cleanse the body, making grapes an effective tool for natural kidney cleansing at home. Click on either of the links to learn more about becoming healthier. Let us know in the comments if you plan on incorporating more grapes into your diet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.